This is a time-lapse movie of how I painted this marvelous landscape at Officers Gulch, Summit County. So I started with a very quick drawing in pencil, and then I started blocking with a smaller and very stiff bristle brush. I think it's a synthetic but very stiff brush. And I blocked in without blending, and you will see a lot of unfilled, a lot of original canvas priming color, and it's very, very light gray color. So I didn't blend, and I like it, and I think it will be my new approach for plein air paintings. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.